Hello all, welcome to Witsat Organic Farms. This video will be a continuation of my previous video about fencing. After land clearing and fencing on the three sides of the land, the next big step was to decide the fencing for the front side. In case if you have missed my previous video about fencing, please click on the link flashing above on the right top corner. I had to level the front area of the land to keep it ready for farmhouse layout planning and also for the front side elevation. I thought that would also give a neat look from the front side and makes it easier for the laborers to work on the front area. We had to book JCB again for this purpose. I had three different options to choose from for the front fencing. First option was to use the same diamond fencing, and the second one was to build a regular compound wall using brick and cement, and the third option was to use a ready-made cement slab compound wall. After thoughtful considerations and getting different opinions from engineers, I decided to go with this ready-made compound wall as it's cheaper and requires less time. Thinking about a farm, the front gate is of utmost importance in a farm. It should be big enough for tractors, JCBs or lorries to drive freely. Hence I custom designed to have a 15 feet gate, whereas the total front side length was 65 feet. To our surprise, the gate was 17 feet at the time of delivery and weighing around 180 kilograms. At each gate was 90 kg. We had to choose 7.5 feet tall Garuda iron pillar, which is similar to a railway track, to hold its weight of 180 kgs. We dug a 3 feet deep hole and used concrete mixture to fix the Garuda pole. As it was raining, we had to immediately paint the gate to protect it from rust. Cement poles were fixed the previous day and the cement slabs were fixed the very next day. It looked so easy and effortless in seeing the front compound getting ready in minutes. It is strong enough as it's manufactured from concrete, and also some of its features and advantages are it has the flexibility for customers to have their own precast wall according to their required specifications. Multiple customized designs are available to help customers to choose from wide options. And also it comes in various shapes and sizes such as continuous slabs held between columns and different pieces erected as a separate identities. So the height of the wall comes between 4 feet to 12 feet and that's also based on the customer's requirement. As the gate was 2 feet longer than we expected, we had a gap of 4 to 5 inches which we had to fix using additional masonry work. We used bricks, cement and M-sand mixture to fill this gap. Later, we realized it will also help us to fix the ceramic tiles with God images on the structure. Luckily, we had both the ready-made compound work and the gate fixing work running parallelly and we were able to manage it better. The final looks were amazing and gave an integrated farmhouse impression. We had also planted some neem tree saplings in the front side. It's also highly recommended that we apply a cement M-sand mixture on the back side of the ready-made compound wall in order to increase its life and durability. We have done this and also applied a white putty coating as well. During this trip, I have also made some good friends. There are a lot of cute, harmless stray dogs in every corner of India. All they look for is some compassion and patting, but sadly, all they get is a pretty rough life on the streets. Because they are so common and many of us barely stop to give them a second thought, rather a second look. Life is more beautiful when you share and care. I also enjoyed my time with my neighbor's cow, which is named Priya. She is 10 months pregnant and expecting her delivery in 1 or 2 weeks. During my stay of 1 week, I thought I could see her cough, but she had other ideas. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to get more exciting videos as I am inching closer towards realizing my dream. Thank you.